MBBS in Latvia complete guide for Indian students and parents. Hi everyone, welcome back to Higher Education Center by Trulaoverseas, where we promise students a place in universities that are either equivalent or better ranked than IIT, IIM and AIMS. So most students think that choosing MBBS is about the next 5 years. Parents know the truth, it's about the next 30 years of life. Where your child will work, how stable their career will be, whether they will be keep running in exams or finally practice medicine with dignity. Today, this video is a complete guide to MBBS in Latvia, one of the Europe's most underrated and powerful medical destinations. And in this video, we will cover why Latvia is emerging as medical hub, eligibility and entry requirements, fees and living expenses, and career outcomes and license validity, and who should not choose Latvia. And stay till the end, this decision can change your child's or your entire future completely. So why MBBS in Latvia? Let's discuss. Latvia is a European Union country, which immediately changes the conversation again. So medical education in Latvia follows European Union medical directives, European clinical standards and globally aligned curriculum, and this means the degree is not limited to one country, it opens doors across Europe and beyond. Latvia combines European quality structured systems, lower competition pressure and predictable outcomes. Medicine here is not a rat race, it is a profession with a pathway. Latvia is home to internationally respected universities such as Riga Strandens University, RSU, University of Latvia. These universities are known for strong clinical exposure, international faculty, research-driven teaching, and multicultural medical environment. Thousands of international students, including Indians, study medicine here every year. Let's clear the confusion. Basic eligibility, 12th science with physics, chemistry, biology, and mandatory maths is required for some universities. So important note, even if you don't have math in 12th standard, there are alternatives academic pathways which allow admissions. To understand how this works, you can connect with Higher Education Center by Trulaoverseas. So the link in the description below. You can book a personalized mentorship with us and entrance exams, how they're supposed to be done, how you can get admission is required, everything. You can definitely book a personalized mentorship or connect with Higher Education Center for understanding and removing uncertainties in the process. Now talking about tuition fees, approximately 12,000 to 15,000 euros per year, varies upon the university. Living cost is around 300 to 400 euros per month, no taxation fees and no donation or hidden charges. Families exactly know what they are paying, what outcome you are going to invest and expect out of it. And talking about the clinical exposure in the students' lives, medical students in Latvia experience early clinical exposure, training in modern European hospitals, interaction with international patients, respect inside the clinical settings, outside academics, safe cities, walkable student life, excellent public transport, calm, focused environment. Students grow independent, confident, and professional. This is where Latvia truly stands out. A Latvian medical degree provides Schengen medical license validity in 30 plus countries, developed countries. Career access includes Germany, Switzerland, France, Luxembourg, Nordic region, UK without lab. That's really amazing, right? And unlike India, Indian license is valid only in India, not even recognized in the nearby countries, neighboring countries. But your Latvian license gives mobility to the power to choose where you want to live and work. And your career just expands to so many countries and so many opportunities are there for you once you study from Latvia. And earn up to a salary of around 1 to 2 crore rupees initially. During your PG also, you're paid really good, 5 to 6 lakh rupees per month stipend in countries. And this is not a high, this is income geography. So who should choose MBBS in Latvia? This is very important to understand. Choose Latvia if you want to exit the rat race. You value structure over the struggle. And you want PG opportunities with dignity. You want global career flexibility. And you want predictable outcomes from your career. And do not choose Latvia if you want shortcuts, you refuse to adapt culturally, and you believe struggle equals to success. and you are obsessed only with the one fact that it's okay to struggle, then European country or European medicine rewards discipline, not excuses. So you will think about it. And this decision is not about leaving India, to be honest. It's about protecting your future. Latvia doesn't promise miracles, it offers something better. A system where effort leads to stability. A degree that opens the borders and doors for multiple countries. And of course, a life that doesn't revolve around uncertainty and clearing exams. If you want to understand eligibility, pathways, selection, how you can get selected, admission strategies, you can connect with Higher Education Center to Trulaoverseas today itself, because the right decision today saves your future for decades from now and your struggle of tomorrow. And I will see you in the next video.